So I'm going to paste this in. Calculate the SMA 20 on a rolling window of 20. Okay, it got that from the data frame. And it's a df close. And then it made the last SMA 20 the iLock function in pandas, the last row. And then it created the column, which it pretty much had, but it was hidden. Now it's here. I don't think that's going to work though. I think it needs brackets around it. And then it gets the SMA 40 close rolling mean, which looks good. Then it gets the last SMA 40, and then it creates the pandas data frame as well. But I think it needs brackets around it, but we'll see. So while this is pretty dope, you know, it does need a human oversight still. So if you're worried that OpenAI is going to take development jobs right away, I don't think that's true. But hey, you know, next version, you know, in the future, I think it will be able to code much, much better. And it's going to take developers like you and I to tweak this, and we can build on top of it, right? So I'm already building some stuff and to make this a more improved model. And I'll make sure that everybody inside of the bootcamp gets access to anything that comes out. Essentially, I'm just trying to make that like the family of algo traders here. As you know, I record what I need to build in the day. So I'm typically not just making YouTube videos. I just record what I need to actually create that day. And I need to get better with OpenAI and see where the holes are, because we're building something that will allow OpenAI to be even better and really be able to code with you or for you. So that's pretty exciting.